Sacred Heart High School, Standard 7, Chapter 3, An Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 is a part of Microsoft Office. PowerPoint is used to create presentations. A presentation is a systematically display of information using text, graphic, etc. Starting PowerPoint 2016. Point 1. Click on Start. Point 2. Go to Microsoft Office 2016 and click on PowerPoint. 3. Select blank presentation on the welcome screen. 4. The PowerPoint 2016 windows open. Search for PowerPoint 2016. The PowerPoint 2016 windows include text, graphs, title bar, etc. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is located on the title bar. Next is Add or Remove Tools on Quick Access Toolbar. First, click on the drop down arrow on the right side of the Quick Access Toolbar. The tick mark beside the tool means that the tool is already added. Second, click on the tools you wish to add on the toolbar. Third, similarly, click on the toolbar to remove it. The tick mark will disappear. Ribbon. The ribbon is a user interface which consists of a set of task tables like home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, and many more. When we click on a particular task table, related task appears on the ribbon. These tasks are divided into groups. Each of these groups carry PowerPoint command button to perform. Minimizing the ribbon. First, right click on the blank area of any group on ribbon. Second, click on the collapse the ribbon option to view or hide the ribbon. Different tables on the ribbon. First is Home. Home table is divided into 6 groups, namely clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, and editing. Next point is Insert. The insert table consists of the following groups: slides, tables, images, illustrations, add-ins, links, comments, text, symbols, and media. We can insert object into the slide using the tables available in this group. Next option is Design. The Design tab consists of 3 groups, namely Themes, Warrants, and Customize. The Themes group provides a choice of different design and colors, fonts, effects, and background styles. You can also customize the slide size and the font or the format on the background. Next point, Transitions. It consists of preview, transition, this slide, and timing groups. Transitions are effects added to the slides when you move from one slide to the next during the presentation. You can control the speed, add sound, and customize the properties of the transition effects. Animations. We can animate the object and text add in the slide using the various options available in the 4 groups, namely preview, animation, advanced animation, and timing. Slideshow. We can run the slideshow using options available in the Start Slideshow group. You can also record your slideshow. Next is Review. It consists of proofing, in slides, language, commands, compare, and ink groups. It consists tools which can help you to proofread and correct a presentation. View. This consists tools which can help you to view your presentation in the best way, depending on the way you want to see it. Next is normal view. By default, PowerPoint opens in the normal view, which consists 3 panes, that is thumbnail pane, slide pane and note pane. Slide pane. It is the work area of the screen where you prepare a slide by inserting picture, text, videos, charts and smart art. Thumbnail panel. It shows the thumbnail preview of each slide on the left side of the slide. And notes pane. It is used to type notes about the correct slide you are working on. Status bar. The status bar is positioned at the bottom of the PowerPoint windows. It provides information about the number of the current slide and the total number of slide. It also lets you zoom in and zoom out the slide panel. View button. You can switch between normal, slide sorter and reading view. Also, you can quickly switch on the slide view. Create a presentation. Once you open PowerPoint 2016, you can create your own presentation by first, click to add title box. Second, type your title, for example, my first slide. Similar, add a status. Add a slide in a presentation. A presentation is a collection of multiple slides. You can add as many slides to your presentation by following steps. 1. Click on a new slide in the slide group. 2. Click on any slide layout as you wish. Saving a presentation. First, click on the File tab and click on Save. Select Browse to save it on this PC, or the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. Second, select and open the folder in which you wish to save the presentation. Third, enter a file name. Fourth, click on the Save button. The process of saving a presentation in a PowerPoint is the same as of saving files in any other Office applications. Next point is printing a presentation. You can print your entire presentation or specific slides, hangout, notes page or outlines. Thank you for attending the class. We have completed our third chapter.